Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is a Jostaberry. It's an unusual fruit. It's a cross between a gooseberry and a black currant. And actually, I think it's a cross between multiple varieties. They tried for some time to get it to get fruit out of a cross, and they were finally able to. But it's larger than a black currant and about the size of a gooseberry, maybe a little smaller. But the thing I love about it is that there's no thorns like a gooseberry. In fact, we sell currant and gooseberry cuttings online, and I don't know if we're going to be able to sell. We're probably going to get out of the gooseberry cutting business because the thorns are just too tough to deal with when we're harvesting and shipping and everything. Let's take a taste. It's very good, much milder than a typical black currant. This is probably still not quite ripe. You can see some of them are still not quite a deep black, and they're not falling to the ground yet, which is always a good indicator that they're ripe. So, but certainly something we'd be happy to take to the farmer's market, and we might do that. We'll check again next week, not this weekend, but next weekend, to see if we can take it. This tree, I think we got at a nursery, so it's probably several years old, and it's pretty productive. I think for sure we're going to try and propagate this into more plants, because it's just a fun berry that tastes good. You can eat it. You can eat it straight out of hand. Let's try this one. This is a little softer. Yeah. Now that was ripe. Totally edible. It's tart. You're never going to get away from tartness with gooseberries or currants, but it's a nice berry. And they're very productive. Gooseberries and currants, and thus this Jostaberry, they're very productive early season fruit. So if you're looking for a little bit of variety early in the season, this is a good one to have. This is a Jostaberry. It's a cross between a black currant and a gooseberry, and it's got a mild flavor. And the thing I like most about it is there's no thorns. Gooseberries are just tough to deal with because of all the thorns, but this Jostaberry doesn't have any.